when the Black Panther movie came out, I think it was this year. I really wanted to see that movie. Well, naturally, because it was like an all black cast for the first time in a comic book movie or a Marvel movie, and I love comic book movies. I love Marvel movies and so forth. There are like two other companies that comic book movies, popular companies that comic book movies come under, but I don't remember those names right now. But although I don't support the whole voodoo thing and spiritualistic thing and ancestors being your god and whatever, because there's only one god, I still went and I watched the movie. And I was just doing like the whole Black Panther theme. Like if you go to my Instagram and you scroll down, you'll see me in black lips. So I had intended to come and show you how to get black lips using your eye pencil. This is Jordana, and it's like the black one, the number whatever rubbed off, but I guess you can just go with the blackest one. I think this is Jordana too. I think it is. I think I did a review on this lipstick, and as you can see, it's done. But because at the time when I did the whole black lip thing, I was wearing this lipstick because we were running late, and I literally just put the eye pencil over lipstick and it held together pretty well. So I'm using this lip brush applicator, I think it is, and basically I'll just line my lips with the lipstick. This lipstick is matte, by the way. It says it's matte, but as long as you have like a moisturizer on your lip, it doesn't really go on matte. I moisturized my lips with shea butter before I began. Okay, so the last time I did this, or the time when I did this, I should say, we were out all day, so the lipstick on my lips were like, it got dry. So I didn't put a whole lot on, like I just put one coat of lipstick on my lips because I don't want the lipstick to rub off with while I'm putting on the eyeliner. So this is like tissue, and I just took like one sheet, literally perforated section is here. I fold it in half, and then I'm gonna do like this because I want to make it matte. Oh, so cute. Anyway, so I want to make it matte, and I'll just do it a second time. So it's drier now. It feels like really drier now. So I should have purchased like a new Jordana, but I didn't think of it. So I'm going to get ratchet and like take a needle and literally dig product out because I want to use this brand so I could get like the same effect that I got the last time. Okay, so I'll just take it out like literally. Let's see, that's a lot, and I'm going to put it on my hand. I don't know how I'm going to get this on my lip, really, truth be told. This one is going to be tricky. Maybe I could use the thingamajig, the tissue and the lip liner that I used before, and see if that would work in getting the product on. So this is how it looks on my hand. You don't have to do this if you're whatever eye pencil you decide or eyeliner you decide on, well, eye pencil you decide on using, as long as you don't run out like I did, you can just go right in and just use it directly from the stick. This is really black. I'm not into goth, but it is fall, and I just decided that this would be like the ideal time to do this lip. and they say it's gonna snow tomorrow. So I have like half and half, half red, half black. This is actually working really well. I'm surprised it's even working. So here we go, black lips for fall. Very gothic, not my type of thing. Truth be told, I do like dark lips. I don't think dark lips is for everyone. Some people just look like really evil when they wear black lips, and I really liked how it looked that night, you know, going with the whole Black Panther theme. But this is not something I would wear all the time, but if this is something you're interested in, I guess you could try it depending on whatever occasion you're wearing it for. So this is how it looks in the sun. Like I'm in the sun. You could definitely try this with other colors. You know, you have different color eye pencils, and especially if you don't have that lipstick that desired lipstick, the Jordana eye pencil together with the Jordana lipstick works perfect for this look. It doesn't budge, and I guess that's it. If you're a YouTuber and you're watching this video, I linked my book, The Unbothered YouTuber, in the description box down below. It's just me talking about my experience as a YouTuber and growing my channel from 53 subscribers literally to where it is right now. I think like I'm over 7,000 subscribers now. So if you want to grow your channel, the book is very inexpensive. You could just check it out. There's a discount code there. Also, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, especially if you want to grow your YouTube channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.